Do you ever feel nervous when meeting new people? You want to talk, but you don't know what to say. That awkward silence feels terrible. Today, that changes. Hi friends, welcome back to Plain Simple English. My name is Sarah. I used to feel so nervous in social situations. I would stand there, smiling, but my mind was completely blank. Today, I'll teach you something that helped me. Small talk. Short, friendly conversations that break the ice. Let's learn how to start conversations with confidence. Number 1. Starting conversations. The easiest way to begin is with a simple greeting. You can say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Hello, nice to meet you." Nothing fancy. Just warm and friendly. Try this, "Hi, how are you today?" Or, "Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Maria." See how simple that is? You're not trying to impress anyone. You're just being friendly. And that's exactly what small talk is. Number 2. Talking about weather. Now, here's the most popular small talk topic in the world. The weather. I know, it sounds boring. But it works everywhere. You can say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or, "Looks like it might rain later." Why does this work? Because everyone experiences the weather. It's something you both share. It's easy to agree on. And it opens the door to more conversation. Number 3. Asking simple questions. After the greeting, ask an easy question. Something anyone can answer. Try, "Where are you from?" Or, "What do you do?" These questions show you're interested. For example, you meet someone new. You say, "Hi, I'm Rohit. Where are you from?" They answer, "I'm from Spain." Now you can respond, "Really? That's wonderful. I've always wanted to visit Spain." See how the conversation flows. One simple question creates connection. Number 4. Showing you're listening. Here's something important. People love when you actually listen. Use short phrases to show interest. Say, "That's interesting." Or just, "Really?" For example, they say, "I love cooking." You respond, "That's interesting. What do you like to cook?" Or they say, "I'm from Japan." You say, "Really? That's amazing." These small responses keep the conversation alive. They show you care about what they are saying. Number 5. Ending politely. Eventually, you need to finish the conversation. And that's okay. Use polite phrases to end smoothly. Say, "It was nice talking to you. Have a good day." Or, "Hope to see you again soon." This leaves a positive impression. They'll remember you as friendly and respectful. And next time you meet, it will be even easier to talk. For practice, here's what I want you to do. Choose one small talk phrase today. Just one. Use it with someone. A friend, a neighbor, even the shopkeeper. The more you repeat, the more natural it feels. Small talk is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The secret. Remember this. Small talk is not about deep topics or perfect English. It's about simple words that open doors. It's about showing you're friendly and interested. With practice, you'll never feel stuck in awkward silence again. You'll walk into any room with confidence. So you learned today how to start conversations easily. Greet warmly, talk about the weather, and ask simple questions. Show interest and end politely. These small skills create big connections. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to Plain Simple English. Share it with someone who wants better English conversations. Tell me in the comments. Which small talk phrase will you try today? I'll read every comment. Keep practicing, keep connecting. See you in the next lesson.